Building your dream home, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Dream mo bang magpatayo ng sariling bahay pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula? Baka nag-aalala ka sa pag-budget, pagpili ng tamang team, o pagkuha ng mga kinakailangang permits. Building a dream home can seem like a daunting journey, puno ng maraming desisyon at posibleng mga problema. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa iyo na hindi kailangan ganito kahirap? Kung gusto mong malaman, panoorin mo ito. Good day to you! If bago ka sa channel ko, I'm Engineer Pedro Mampo, a licensed civil engineer and a contractor with 13 years of experience in the field of construction. At nandito ako para gabayan ka sa bawat hakbang ng proseso. Today, I'm super excited to guide you through the journey of building your dream home. Mula sa pagplano ng iyong pondo hanggang sa paglipat sa iyong bagong bahay. Ituturo ko sa iyo ang lahat ng kailangan mong malaman para matupad ang iyong pangarap. Samahan mo ako habang binibigyan natin ng simpleng solusyon ang bawat stage ng home building process para mas maging madali, manageable, at enjoyable ito. Gawin natin ang iyong dream home mula sa isang pangarap tungo sa isang magandang realidad. Here are the 10 steps in building your dream home. Step number 1, plan your finances. Kailangan nating siguraduhin na handa ang ating budget. Start by setting a realistic budget. Think about all the expenses from buying the lot to the final nail. This includes land cost, construction cost, permits, and even furnishing your new home. It's essential to be systematic and comprehensive in this step. You may want or you may need to consult with financial advisors if needed. They can help you understand your financial standing and how much you can realistically spend. Tandaan, proper planning prevents poor performance. Without a solid financial plan, you might find yourself stuck midway through construction. Step number 2, define your needs and wants. Ano ang mga non-negotiables mo? Ilang bedrooms ang kailangan mo? Do you need a home office? Is a big backyard essential for you? Write down everything you need and want. Get input from your family members. Baka may mga pangarap din sila para sa bagong bahay. It's important to have everyone's input to ensure that the house will cater to all your needs. This step will guide your design and budgeting decisions, ensuring that you don't miss anything important. Step number 3, assemble your team. Building a dream home is a team effort. Kailangan mo ng architects, engineers, contractor, and other professionals who will bring your vision to life. Choose those who are reputable and experienced. Ang tamang team ang magdadala sa iyo sa tagumpay. Interview multiple candidates. Don't just go for the first architect, engineer, or builder you meet. Ask for their previous projects and client testimonials. This will give you a better idea of their capabilities and if they're aligned with your vision. Step number 4, find the perfect lot. Isipin ang location, size, at orientation ng lupa. Gusto mo ba ng tahimik na lugar o malapit sa city? Consider the neighborhood, accessibility to essential services, and the overall vibe of the area. Make sure to do your research and visit multiple sites before making a decision. You may also consult with a real estate agent. They can provide valuable insights and help you find hidden gems. Remember, this lot will be the foundation of your dream home. So, choose wisely. Step number 5, design your home. This is the fun part. Collaborate with your architect, and engineer to create a design and reflects your needs and style. Magpakita ng mga inspiration at magtanong sa mga eksperto. Remember, this is your dream. Make it uniquely yours. Consider your lifestyle. Do you entertain often? Then, maybe a spacious living room or an outdoor yard is important. Do you work from home? Ensure you have a quiet and comfortable home office. Personalize every aspect to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Step number 6. Secure permits and financing. Kailangan mo ng mga permits mula sa local government at siguraduhin na approve ang iyong financing. This can be a boring process but it's crucial. Patience is key. Double check all your paperwork and ensure you have all the necessary documents. Missing a single permit can delay your project significantly. Work closely with your team and keep a checklist to stay organized. Step number 7. Prepare for construction. Clear the lot, set up utilities, and make sure everything is ready for building. It's all about laying a solid foundation, but literally and figuratively. A well-prepared site can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Ensure that the land is properly graded and that drainage system are in place. This will prevent future issues like flooding or erosion. Your site should be as ready as possible to support your new home. Step number 8. The building process. The building process begins. Watch your dream rise from the ground up. Stay involved, visit the site regularly, and communicate with your team. Each step brings you closer to your dream. Regular site visits are crucial. They allow you to monitor progress and address any issues immediately. Trust your team, but stay informed and involved. It's your home, and your input is valuable. Step number 9. Inspection and final touches. Make sure everything meets the standards. It's the little details that make a big difference. After all the hard work, this is the time to ensure everything is perfect. Pay attention to the details. Check all the installations, fittings, and finishes. Ensures that everything is up to code and meet your expectations. Don't rush this step. Quality and safety are vital. Step number 10. Move in and enjoy your home. Finally, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Celebrate your achievement and make lasting memories. In your new home, welcome to your dream come true. Your home is more than just a building. It's a place where memories are made and dreams come true. Embrace every moment and enjoy the fruits of your labor. There you have it. Ngayon, balikan natin ang 10 steps para mabuo ang dream home. Una, plan your finances. Siguraduhin handa ang budget mo para sa lahat ng gastos mula simula hanggang matapos. Pangalawa, define your needs and wants. Alamin ang mga non-negotiables mo at ano ang mga pangarap mong features para sa bahay. Pangatlo, assemble your team. Pumili ng mga reputable at experienced na architects, engineers at iba pang professionals. Find the perfect lot. Panglima, design your dream home. Makipagtulungan sa inyong architect, engineers para sa isang design na akma sa iyong lifestyle. Pang-anim, secure permits and financing. Siguraduhin na kompleto ang mga permits at aprobado ang financing. Pang-pito, prepare for construction. I-clear ang lote at ihanda ang site para sa construction. Pang-walo, the building process. Maging hands-on at regularly bisitahin ang site para masiguro ang progress. Pang-siyam, inspection and final touches. Siguraduhin lahat ay pasado sa standard. At panghuli, move in and enjoy. Ito na ang pinakahihintay mong moment. Enjoy your new home at ang lahat ng memories na gagawin mo dito. Thank you for joining us today. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, at mag-subscribe. Marami pa akong tips at inspiration na ibabahagi sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!